Na nimegundua the higher you have, the higher production. If you produce highly, you can't use it. If you produce 100, have 100. You don't have consistency. You see now, hizo zikitoka, hizi zimefika. Hizi zikitoka, white, but this is white normal. Yeah, this is white normal. Probably it might get because of
you can see there is some white particles.
yes.
So it means the consistency of the stool before whitish is because of the feed. There is some content here.